Introducing Cloud Wars Expo. To compete in the acceleration economy, business leaders need to optimize their digital future. This demands a reimagination of business models that are enabled by the cloud, empowered by AI, and optimized by human ingenuity, with a goal to dazzle customers and employees. To accelerate these growth decisions, CXOs need access to highly influential thinkers, vendors, partners, and advisors without wasting precious time screwing around. Cloud Wars Expo is 2.5 days to accelerate the most important decisions your company will make to optimize your digital future. Join us June 28th to 30th at Moscone Center in beautiful San Francisco, California for the most influential thing to happen to cloud since Bob Evans first ranked the Cloud Wars Top 10 almost 6 years ago. Register today and join us on June 28th to 30th to optimize your digital future at Cloud Wars Expo.